So today we started the exercise from that chapter. So first we cite MCQs. Question number first, choose the correct option. Range of temperature in a clinical thermometer which measures the temperature of human body is option A 70 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, B 34 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, C 0 degree Fahrenheit to 100 degree Fahrenheit, D 34 degree Fahrenheit to 80 degree Fahrenheit. The correct answer is option B, that is 34 degrees Celsius up to 42 degrees Celsius. Now second question, a glass bottle completely filled with water is kept in the freezer. Why does it crack? Option A, bottle gets contracted, B, bottle is expanded, C, water expands on freezing, D, water contracts on freezing. Due to anomalous behavior of water, when water expands on freezing, so option C is the correct answer. Question number third, if two temperature differ by 25 degrees Celsius on Celsius scale, the difference in temperature on Fahrenheit scale is option A 65 degree, 45 degree, C 38 degree, D 25 degree. If we take a temperature difference of 25 degrees Celsius, then we convert it into Fahrenheit scale. We know that in the Fahrenheit scale, 100 division of Fahrenheit scale is equal to, so on Fahrenheit scale we write 100 division on Celsius scale equal to 180 division on Fahrenheit scale. So temperature difference of 25 degree Celsius corresponding will be given by 25 multiplied by 180 divided by 100. When we cancel this, 25 1 the 25, 25 4 the 100, when we calculate 4 upon 180 upon 4, we got 45 degree Fahrenheit. So the correct answer is 45 degree Fahrenheit. Now fourth question, question number 4, if alpha, beta and gamma are coefficient of linear, areal and volume expansion of solid, then the relation between alpha, beta and gamma are given. Option A, alpha is to beta is to gamma equal to 1 is to 3 is to 2. B, alpha is to beta is to gamma is to 3 is to 1 is to 2. Alpha is to beta is to gamma equal to twice is to 3 into 1. And option D, repeat here. So we have to correct there. Alpha is to beta is to gamma is the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3. So the correct answer is option D. We see the relation between coefficient of linear, coefficient of areal and coefficient of volume expansion. We got the relation alpha is to beta is to gamma equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. Now question number 5th. Consider the following statements. Number 1, the coefficient of linear expansion has dimension k raised to power minus 1. Coefficient of volume expansion has dimension k raised to power minus 1. Option A, 1 and 2 are both are correct. B, 1 and 1 is correct but second is wrong. Second is correct but first is wrong. Option D, first and second are both wrong. Here we know the formula for coefficient of linear expansion, alpha equal to L2 minus L1 upon L1 in bracket T2 minus T1. And coefficient of volume expansion is given by gamma equal to V2 minus V1 upon V1 in bracket T2 minus T1. So that is only ratio of same quantity. So length, volume get cancelled. We got 1 upon temperature difference, and yes, dimension of temperature is Kelvin. That means 1 by K. 1 by K is equal to K raised to power minus 1. So 1 and 2 are both are the correct. So here the correct answer is option A. Now last, problem number 6. Water falls from a height of 200 meter. What is the difference in temperature between the water at top and bottom of water, given that specific heat of water is 4200 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius? Option A 0.96 degree Celsius, option B 1.02 degree Celsius, C 0.46 degree Celsius, D 1.16 degree Celsius. Now we solve this. We know potential energy is equal to kinetic energy, and potential energy is given by mgh, kinetic energy equal to mass into specific heat into rise in temperature. Here we have to calculate temperature difference is delta T. Both term having mm getting cancelled to each other. So we got formula delta T equal to gh by s. Substitute value of g equal to 9.8. Height is given 200 meter. Specific heat equal to 4200. When we solve this, we get 9.8 upon 21. After calculating the value, we get temperature difference delta T equal to 0.467 degrees Celsius. So the correct answer is option C is given, 0.46 degree Celsius.